Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing, and here's how it is done. First option is to go to Google Play Store, and if the word updated is shown, click it. Make sure that your app is updated. Second option is to clear data of the app. Just long press the app, click App Info, and then we can click the Clear Data button and make sure to log in again after clearing the data. Last option is to report it. Go to your Instagram profile, click the three-line button, scroll down until you can see the option Help. Click Report a Problem. Report problem without shaking, and then we will just type Instagram notes not showing, how to solve it, and click Send. And then Instagram will just contact and tap you. That is everything you need to know about how to fix Instagram notes not showing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.